What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Drew Drives. Today, let's go for a quick drive in this 2023 Ford Edge ST. This has a 2.7 liter V6 with 335 horsepower. Seats are very bolstered, bucket seats, very sporty. You have a massive screen right here with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. You have heated seats. Two screens. It's not a digital gauge cluster. You have the speedometer in the middle. Leather wrapped perforated steering wheel with shift paddles, which feel very flimsy. You have an RPM gauge over there. ST embroidered into the seat. And you got, looks like a B&O sound system. First impressions from what I've noticed is that the transmission's laggy. Like the shifts don't feel crisp. They feel very laggy. And the car's pondering if it should shift into the next gear or not. Feels like this reminds me of a CVT, which is not a good thing at all. I mean, the car's quick, for sure. It's an ST, so it better be quick. Like the Explorer ST does not feel this way. I've driven the Explorer ST, which I think has 400 horsepower, if I'm not mistaken. That has a nice transmission. Compared to this, like the way everything works. And I know that this Edge ST, the MSRP on this is outrageous. It's like in the high 50s or low 60s, which is insane to pay that for this car. This is, if you really like ST models and stuff, if you really want this car, going used is a much better option than buying it new, unless if you get like 15K off or something. Because I'm not very impressed with this, to be honest with you. I was expecting a lot more just because of the ST name and stuff. I was kind of excited to review this, but I'm pretty let down. The engine just doesn't sound good either to me. I mean, I'm not trying to completely bash this car or anything, but I'm just very unimpressed. For whatever this car's MSRP is, it's like new price. It's not living up to that at all, and it just feels pretty cheap in here for the most part, other than these seats are bolstered well and everything. Steering wheel feels nice, but the gauge cluster looks like it's from 2012. The screen, yeah, it's big, but you know, a lot of plastic everywhere. And I've always hated this dial shifter in a lot of Ford products. It's not good. It looks stupid. And it feels stupid to use when you're shifting gears. Just give me a gear shifter, for God's sake. I hate how a lot of brands are just putting stupid buttons up there and stuff. Like, what the heck? Man, that just doesn't sound good. Yeah, the only thing this has going for it is it's quick. That's it. I expected more than that. Yeah, I would most definitely recommend an Explorer ST over the Edge ST, 100%. I mean, this is definitely a very niche car. If you're like a huge Ford enthusiast and want the Edge ST, yeah, pre-owned model, definitely good option, for sure. But new, not so much. I mean, because this one's pretty gently used, only has like 3,000 miles, and it's probably cost much less than MSRP does. So it's a good option if you really like this car for some reason. I mean, everyone has their reasoning for why they like certain vehicles, so can't ever rule anything out, you know? just do a quick walk around to end this video. What do you all think of that gear shifter? Let me know in the comments below. You have Ford Performance door sills with these black and silver wheels. You get ST in the grille. This car honestly just looks like a bloated Focus from many angles. And you get these interestingly shaped exhaust tip outlets. But anyways, thanks as always for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing. Lots of car videos on all kinds of cars you can think of on this channel. If you have any questions on any cars or this vehicle, please leave them in the comments below. And I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching Drew Drives.